What exactly is the Metaverse? A lot of people from the tech industry have raved about this upcoming technology. And from one of our videos, we have talked about the development of the Metaverse and how it can be possible by the year 2040. Up until now, the idea of it can be very vague, as it still does not exist, but tech companies have been waiting for it to come to life. Hello everyone and welcome to Sway Technology. We're here to talk about everything tech, culture, and business. Today, we'll tackle some of the ideas of how the Metaverse could help businesses in the near future. As we all know, tech advancements will not just be for gaming and entertainment. It would certainly impact all things in our society. So let's get to it. We have all heard about the Metaverse. When the then called Facebook rebranded itself to Meta, the idea of having a Metaverse also appeared along with it. We're not really sure what the Metaverse is going to be like, but it would most certainly involve virtual and augmented reality. According to Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, the Metaverse is the future of the internet. However, we're not sure yet what this is going to be like for everyone using social media platforms. If the Metaverse is the future of the internet, then looking at it now, it is quite uncertain. Think of a virtual world that looks exactly like our own, where you may meet coworkers, go to different cities, and even obtain your pilot's license. This is the Metaverse, which is now here and will enable the virtual space to function for everyone at once with unlimited memory and history. Yet, if you believe that the Metaverse was only about online gaming and meetings, then look closer. It has the potential to drastically alter many parts of our everyday lives. People will spend more time in immersive manufacturing and medical experiences utilizing augmented reality, and this is a chance for us to improve things. A completely new world is developing, and along with it is the potential worth trillions of dollars. If you thought the internet changed how we live now, wait till you see what the 3D world is capable of. In many different aspects of huge businesses in all sorts of industries, the Metaverse can be a huge step in creating a better output in real-life situations. For filmmaking, the use of virtual and augmented reality have highly improved the quality of science fiction films. For instance, ILM has developed its own real-time cinematic render engine called Helios. Compared to set designs built by months and months and would take up much time and money, this cinematic render would definitely help these artists with the quick turnaround that television requires. The possibilities are endless with this new technology, and it may be adapted by the Metaverse in the near future. Speaking of virtual worlds, Roblox gained its popularity over the pandemic, and it drove a lot of younger generations to use it. It has even created a platform for businesses to promote their products and collaborations with big brands. Also, with that kind of popularity, it has caught the attention of major global brands. We can't pinpoint the precise moment when Roblox or this type of virtual world technology became widespread, but for Generation Z and Alpha, it seems the Metaverse has established itself as part of the cultural zeitgeist. As of the moment, we do not have any idea what it would look like, so we try to connect it with the information that we have. In spite of that, because of the promise it has given and the potential of greatness in terms of tech advancements, anyone from the tech world would define it as something that could make the future for tech a better place. At present time, the Metaverse is beginning to give chances to a variety of industries and new methods to face pushing even lethal issues into disarray. But there is still a long way to go, and only a very small piece of the canvas has been painted so far. The military has consistently been in the forefront of utilizing new technical developments for improved training and battle. Have you ever considered that first-person shooters may perhaps start to resemble realistic combat? To make contemporary military notions a reality, AR developers have accepted the challenge and have already started constructing the first prototypes. They are developing Tactical Augmented Reality, or TAR. Although TAR resembles night vision goggles, or NVG, it has considerably more potential. It may display a soldier's precise location, as well as the locations of both friendly and hostile troops. The system, which can function both during the day and at night, is fastened to the helmet, in the same manner that the goggles are. In essence, TAR takes the role of the conventional portable GPS gadget and eyewear. A soldier wouldn't have to look down to verify their GPS location every single time. They have also included thermal sights wherein soldiers could easily see their target and its distance. Another great example of tech advancements that we could see in the metaverse is a plane developed by Lockheed Martin. This plane uses digital mapping. It maps the flames that are raging below as it soars above the mountains, and this is altering how these kinds of fires are handled. This could be particularly helpful because of the impact that wildfire has on our economies and the climate. With this development, there will be helicopters and planes dropping water every few minutes to stop the fire, and they will be able to apply artificial intelligence to foresee firefront behavior. This way, it can help decision makers on how they can suppress fires more efficiently because of the three-dimensional visualization. The project makes use of the NVIDIA Omniverse platform, which is a tool for creating perfect digital replicas of things that already exist in reality. Digital twins are simulations that accurately match a virtual environment to its physical counterpart. The production of things, whether they be structures, goods, situations, or other types of things, and their functioning in a digital twin idea may be seen as the two distinct phases of this journey. One way to think of it is as the possible metaverse's operating system. NVIDIA was established in 1993, and for the first 20 years produced a technology that aided in the advent of the 3D revolution in gaming. Its microchips are suitable for powering the hardware and software required to produce the ever more complex metaverse simulations in the future. At present time, NVIDIA is developing Earth 2. It is a supercomputer that mimics the weather across the planet. This way, it could have the ability to predict weather, which can be specifically used to know what we can do to adapt to the impacts of climate change. All of these things are amazing. I'm just not sure whether to hope for it to come sooner or be realistic and thinking if any of this is really possible. In terms of the commerce side, Amazon and BMW are among the large corporations that are employing digital twin technologies to duplicate their processes in minute detail. Metaverse is also poised to revolutionize production across a number of industries, even visualizing factories with robots instead of manual work. This way, digital twins and digital mapping needs to be precise. If they get this right, then factories in the near future would certainly be more efficient. In the United States, at present time, Johns Hopkins University in the United States have been using AR devices in performing surgeries. Professor Tim Witham is a pioneering surgeon that uses augmented reality to perform spinal surgery. What they did was to insert a marker into the patient's spine, which they would transfer the data to the AR headset that Professor Tim Witham is wearing. Professor Witham can now execute the procedure with a level of consistency and accuracy that was previously challenging thanks to augmented reality. With all these situations creating endless possibilities, in the near future, the metaverse could be of help to a wider spectrum of medical surgeries. We find it extremely difficult to forecast what the true market opportunity will be, given that the metaverse is already beginning to show signs of its capacity to bring about change and profoundly influence how we behave. The only thing we can say with certainty is that these new technologies will result in innovative behaviors. And those innovative behaviors will open up markets we cannot foresee. Yet, as the metaverse develops, so do the difficulties. And that is it for today's video. Do not forget to comment your opinions and your predictions on what the metaverse would look like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to be updated with the latest videos. Once again, we are Sway Technology, swaying you into learning more things about tech, business, and culture. See you till our next video.